This movie is going to help you understand how to program a sonar sensor. If you have a Year 10 or Year 11 Arduino shield, it already has some pins on it ready for your sonar to connect to. On the Year 10 board they look like this, and on the Year 11 board they look like this. You can see that the only difference is that in the Year 10 board the trig and echo pins are connected to pins 4 and 5, while in the Year 11 one they are connected to pins 7 and 6. The sonar works by sending out a burst of ultrasonic sound waves and measuring how long it takes them to reflect off an object and come back to the sensor. You can make it send out these waves by sending a 10 microsecond pulse to its trigger pin. To create this pulse, you first have to make sure that the trigger pin is low. Here is the code that does that. Leave it low for a couple of microseconds. Then the pulse is sent high and left there for 10 microseconds. Here is the code that does that. Finally, after 10 microseconds, the pulse is turned off. Here is the code that does that. When the sonar receives this trigger signal, it sends out the sound waves. At the same time that it does that, it sets its echo pin high. When it receives the echo back, it sets its echo pin low. The time the echo pin is high is the time that it takes the sound waves to go out to the object and come back again. The Arduino measures this time using the pulse in command. The word high in the pulse in command is telling it to measure how long the echo pin was high for. This time is recorded as a variable called duration. Because we know how fast sound travels and how long it took for the journey, we can calculate the distance to the object. This is shown in the line that says distance is equal to duration times 0.0343 divided by 2.